I know, I can't believe I missed it. As I was talking, it flew by. See, I told you it's sneaky. So, is that another pulse? Um, I know. So, at one point, that was like that. And we watched it maybe start coming backwards. Maybe the gravitational pull of the sun is gonna. It's just, they think it's just a normal CME, but maybe it is so compacted because it's a. I guess what if you look a few videos back for the past 2 days, we've actually been able to keep an eye on it. So you might find some of it very interesting. Okay, bye. Wow. Is this some pulses from the Pulsar? What do you think? That's so cool. It's so beautiful out here. So after yesterday seeing the Pulsar like mechanics happening, we've been doing slow motion, but it's too pretty out here. I know, that's so pretty. It's so cool. Okay, we'll be back. I know, that looks interesting too, but this one's a little bit more interesting, I think. So is that a pulse from a pulsar? So it looks like, oh, that's too thin, but now that's like a pancake, turn it sideways. Now if it was a pulsar, at least it had that kind of mechanics. That would mean that the CME might have iron particles potentially. Is this going to help with the color of the sunset maybe? Maybe we'll forecast. Anyways, I looked at this over here and it's like, this one has like a Y like snake. That's so crazy. So this could be pulses. Interesting. Very cool. Thank you. Alright, we'll be back. I kind of wanted to see if there was any interaction because look at you. Sorry. Is that our CME? Alright, I gotta go. Bye. Beckvish. So, in our Pulsar research, I looked online today and they said that there's 2 CMEs. At least that's what they're saying. But we've been watching this. It looks like a chemtrail, right? But so there's 2 of them. I know I can't see the screen very well. Hold on. Anyways, though, solar weather people said that they could affect us. But it looks like a chemtrail, right? Well, actually, I think that is quote unquote from the Pulsar, because doesn't it look like, it's hard to see now, but like a pulse coming out of the sun. Now they said it could be a CME. When we looked up what a pulsar does, that's whenever the sun starts using its own fuel, like iron and stuff like that isn't going to come back. So the weather radars might say that this is a CME, but this CME might be having a little bit more, and it may miss us. It's a very small chance that it does affect us. And there it is, and me and Becca are sitting here. I know you can see a few pulses, so it's like, oh, that makes sense. But maybe they're saying if those particles were to reach the sun, and then we would have issues. So they said there's 2 CMEs. I know you can only see one now, but it looks like we saw earlier Atlas flyby. Is that? I know. That's very interesting. But it looks so far, they're getting like they're coming this direction. You see, that's what we were actually mostly observing. So that's the question, if that came out of the sun a few days ago. I don't know. Okay, we'll be back. So, me and Beck were talking about this potential pulsar, and what if its remnants start to get grabbed by the sun's gravity? So, I don't know, and I read the news that said there were 2 CMEs. Well, is that it? Not likely to hit us, but look how dense it is. Well, what if that's sideways? Like if you looked at it from underneath it, it would be like what you are visualizing. Do you see this haze? Is that it? You know, is the gravitational pull grabbing it? Do you see? Now what I'm worried about is if a pulsar is, I guess I read iron. We're talking iron using the sun's reserves. Now that would make this CME more potential. If it is iron, then we're talking some heavy duty CME. I don't know, but if it is neutron type mechanics, at least we were able to visualize it and have some data points to look back on the past so many hours. But just another little observation. Okay, bye. It looks like it's kind of going over it. That is so cool. Okay, we'll be back. Bye.